Did you know that the Mayans predicted an eclipse over 500 years before it happened? See, back in the olden times, the Mayans and Egyptians were pretty into astronomy. They had these giant calendars that tracked the cycles of the planets and used them to predict when eclipses would happen. The Mayans, for example, observed that every 52 years the planets would line up perfectly and cast their shadows on the Earth, which we now know as a solar eclipse. They also noticed that every 365 days, the Earth's shadow would fall on the Moon, which we know as a lunar eclipse. The Mayans kept track of these cycles on their calendar, which was so accurate that they were able to predict an eclipse over 500 years before it happened. That's pretty impressive if you ask me. Egyptians were also pretty good at astronomy. They built these giant pyramids that lined up with the stars and used them to predict the Nile River's annual floods. They also had these giant obelisks that cast shadows that indicated the time of day and year. Both the Mayans and Egyptians were able to make incredible astronomical predictions, which is pretty cool if you ask me.